got one?
Yep.
Off.
I think he's off, and I think I got a weed now. He's feeling. Oh, he's still feeling. He's feeling super small. It's like the smallest fish ever.
Can't have the sweet without the
Oh,
sour.
look, two of them are falling.
Oh!
Did you see
Yeah,
that?
I did. The big one was chasing
The bigger
him.
one was chasing the smaller one. Yeah.
I did, yeah. That's wild. There it is.
It's actually not a bad one.
Yeah. Here, hold on. Oh yeah, he's scrappy. Nice. Good catch, man.
Decent one.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I got your rod.
Yeah, that's a good fish.
You need the pliers?
I don't think so. I just need to get in his gill here. Maybe.
Pliers?
Yeah.
Nice.
Went over a lot.
Stained up my shorts.
How old were you, Jeff, when we did that?
And
work,
this is proof that I catch fish too.